In a world where time is money, why are we still letting outdated payment system slow us down? What if there was a way to make your transaction as seamless as your favorite smartphone app? Imagine a world where your finances are truly borderless, fast and secure, where digital assets aren't just investment but part of your daily life. Buying coffee, paying bills, Netflix and chill, and even traveling. Welcome to Tevau, where the future of payment is here. The financial world is advancing, but traditional systems lag behind. High fees, slow transaction time, and limited access are everyday relatives for many. Meanwhile, the rise of digital assets offer incredible potential, but adoption is riddled with complexities. That is where Taboo comes in. Taboo bridges the gap between two worlds, making managing and spending your digital assets as easy as swapping a card. Taboo is the next generation payment network designed for the digital age. Powered by blockchain technology, our card transform how you interact with money, convert, spend, and manage digital assets effortlessly without relying on outdated fiat system. The benefit of using Taboo: instant transaction, no waiting time, say goodbye to high transaction fees, use Taboo whatever you are, no need for complex.
First thing first, click the link in the description below. Download the Tevau app from your favorite app store. Whatever you are, an iPhone user or Android user, we have got you covered. After downloading the app, you can see I have installed it. Now opening it. This is the interface of the app. Now for the registration, you need to go the Me option. You can see login in the, and here you need to see register. Here you just simply put your email, password, confirm password, verification code, and referral code. Here you can put the referral code that I have displayed on your screen right now, 042473. And after that you just simply click register button, and after registration you just need to input your email and password, then simply log in. This is the interface of the app. You can see you need to first KYC your account. So for that you need to select the option, are you a US residential or not. I am not, so I select not. I am from Bangladesh, so I select everything about related me, so I need to select everything your ID card related. So after selecting everything you just simply click next, and in this option there are three types that you can choose one. That number one is ID card, number two is driving license, and number three is passport. So I have ID card, so I need to select my ID card. So here is a front page picture and back page picture. You just need to click both for the KYC verification, and then click next. And here face verification, you need to verify your face by using selfie or your camera. After verification success, you can see the verification message from Tevau app, and you can also see my KYC are verified. Here's where the magic happen. Hit on the card section where you will find two options, virtual and physical card. If you choose virtual card, go for virtual card. If you choose physical card, then go physical card. My prefer is physical card. It's perfect for all your daily transaction, from grabbing coffee or paying bills. Got a promo code? Don't forget enter it before you check out. The card cost is $100 for physical card, and for virtual card it costs $20. If you have promo code, then you use it for it. So I have promo code. I use it, and it make me cost zero. And for applying, you need to put again your address, your city, your information. so that they can verify that you are a genuine person. So I simply just address everything on my information, then confirm. After clicking confirm, I need to set my pin code, and I complete my pin code. You just complete it and verify the code from email where the code was sent. Tevau sent me an email for my pin code setup, and I input the verification code on it and then clicking confirm. Again, you need to confirm here, then confirm, and just again you need to put your passcode that you set up right now. Just simply see I verify my first card and buy successfully. You can see the notification in the top-up bar. So this is the app interface. After buying the card, you can see the card number, and you can see once again a pop-up that I have successfully confirmed the card. You can also check the message section. Now you are all set to use your Tevau card for your daily transaction. Simple, secure, and super convenient. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.